Sick and tired of being called skinny and weak? Looking for a sure way to gain weight or add muscle?
But hey, there's good news. You can successfully gain weight and muscle. That's only if you can give yourself to eating the right foods. There are a whole lot of foods that can help with this video. Milk. Taking the first place is milk, an excellent choice for anyone looking to gain weight and build muscle. For the most part, this food is chock full of protein, making it perfect for those trying to add more muscle. Protein smoothies. Stick with homemade. Looking for a sure, quick and highly nutritious way to gain weight? We're looking to gain weight and muscle the healthy way, no diversions. Red meats. Yes, red meats also happen to be on our list. In fact, they're one of the best muscle building foods right now. For the most part, red meats contain dietary creatine, an amazing muscle building supplement. And oh, if you're a big fan of steak, you'll be happy to hear that it contains leucine, about 3 grams per 6 ounces. Essentially, leucine is an essential amino acid the body needs to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and add new muscle. Well, red meats are perfect for you. They contain the right amount of fat and calories. In fact, they're way better than lean meats in this regard. Don't hesitate to eat up 3 highly nutritious foods that can increase your chances of buffing up, gaining weight and looking great. Now it's up to you to make your pick and eat up.